If you're shopping for a new phone this Christmas season and you don't want to spend a fortune, don't worry, we got you. Today, we're rounding up some of the best smartphones under 10,000 pesos that we've reviewed throughout 2025. These come from brands like Infinix, Nubia, HMD, Honor, and Redmi, and all of them bring something solid to the table for the price. So, without further ado, let's roll down the list. Let's kick things off with the Infinix Hot 60 Pro series, and honestly, these phones are all about being thin. Really thin. The Hot 60 Pro measures just 6.6mm, while the Hot 60 Pro Plus goes for even slimmer at an insane 5.95mm, weighing only 155 grams. Despite the slim build, you still get splash and dust resistance, and the Pro Plus even comes with Gorilla Glass 7i, so it doesn't feel fragile at all. Up front, both phones share the same 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and up to 1600 nits of brightness. Translation: smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just doom scrolling on socials. Powering the phones is the MediaTek Helio G200 paired with 8GB of RAM, expandable up to 16GB virtually, and 256GB of storage. Cameras are pretty straightforward. A 50MP main camera and a 13MP selfie shooter, good enough for casual shots and socials. You also get Android 15, XOS 15, built-in AI tools, JBL tuned stereo speakers, NFC, IR blaster, and a 5160mAh battery with 45 watts charging. Price-wise, the Hot 60 Pro goes for 6,999 pesos, while the Hot 60 Pro Plus sits at 8,999 pesos. For the design alone, this already feels like a steal. Next up is the Nubia V80 design, and as the name suggests, this one's all about looks without the premium price tag. It features a bold camera plateau design with a textured matte finish. You also get IP64 splash resistance, which is always nice to have. Up front is a 6.75-inch HD Plus IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate. Inside, it runs on the Unisoc Tiger T7280 paired with up to 8GB of RAM, plus 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of storage. As for cameras, you get a 16MP selfie camera, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 50MP primary camera, all of which can capture 1080p video. One highlight here is the software. It runs on Android 16 with MyOS, complete with AI features like Circle to Search, AI Magic Eraser, AI Live Translator, and even a dedicated AI button. Battery life comes from a 5000mAh cell with 22.5 watts charging. Pricing starts at 5,799 pesos for the 4GB version, while the 8GB plus 256GB model goes for 7,299 pesos, making it one of the more stylish picks in this ultra budget category. Now, if you're looking for something a little different, the HMD Crest 5G definitely stands out, and not just because of the specs. Unlike most smartphones today, the Crest lets you swap out parts like the back cover, USB-C port yourself using basic tools. It's a refreshing approach, especially if you want a phone that actually lasts longer. Specs-wise, it doesn't disappoint either. You get a 6.67-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate, which is rare at this price point. Powering it is the Unisoc T760 paired with 8GB of RAM, expandable up to 16GB virtually, and 256GB of storage. Cameras include a 50MP main shooter, a 2MP depth sensor, and surprisingly, a 50MP selfie camera up front. Add to that a 5000mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, IP52 protection, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course, 5G connectivity. All of that for 7,999 pesos makes the HMD Crest 5G a very compelling option if you want OLED, 5G, and repair-friendly design in one package. The Honor X70 proves that you can still get a tough and capable phone under 10,000 pesos in 2025. It sports a 6.77-inch LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of brightness. But durability is where this phone shines. It comes with SGS5 star drop resistance and an IP65M rating, meaning it can survive drops, splashes, and everyday accidents without a problem. A 108MP primary camera and 8MP selfie camera are available. Inside is a Snapdragon 685 paired with 8GB of RAM plus 8GB of virtual RAM and a massive 512GB of storage, which is honestly wild at this price. Battery life won't be an issue either thanks to the 6,500mAh battery with 35 watts fast charging. At 9,999 pesos, the Honor X70 is a solid choice if you want durability, storage, and battery life above all else. And last but definitely not least, we have the Redmi Note 14, a familiar name that continues to deliver. You get a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1,800 nits of peak brightness. Up front is a 20 megapixel selfie camera, while the back houses a 108 megapixel main camera plus 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro sensor. Performance comes from the Helio G99 Ultra paired with the 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage, which is more than enough for everyday use and some casual gaming. The 5,500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging easily lasts a full day, and the IP55 rating gives you added peace of mind. Starting at 7,999 pesos, the Redmi Note 14 strikes a great balance between display quality, performance, and battery life, making it one of the safest picks in this price range. And that's our list of the best smartphones under 10,000 pesos. What do you think? Which one would you pick as your daily driver? Let us know in the comment section below. For more tech news, reviews, and updates, make sure to check out yugatech.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got full reviews for all the phones mentioned here, just search them up. And that's it. This has been Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!